What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I woke up this morning feeling like I needed a little pamper. I've got some blackheads on my face and I just need a little pampering. So I'm definitely gonna do like a little at-home facial. Today is like a full self-care day. So I was like, why not just pop on the camera and kind of vlog it for you guys? I know you guys love coming with me on my little like at-home spa self-care days. So that's what we're doing today. Quick little update, you guys. I finally have mocha back in stock. It was sold out for a while. You guys are obsessed with the color mocha. For those of you who don't know, I created my own brand, Beige, and I'm wearing the mocha satin robe. So mocha is finally back in stock. I made sure to get like a good amount of stock because you guys are obsessed. Just make sure it's recording. Yeah, you guys are obsessed with mocha, as am I. So I'm wearing it today. Let's do a close-up on my skin. So I did wash my face this morning. Let's take a look at my nose. I always get a ton of blackheads on my nose. Surprisingly, this is actually a good day for me. Like, I know it looks bad, but this is actually a good day for me. It's actually not blackheads. I've looked it up. It's something called like, I don't know, there's like a whole, scientific skincare name for it, okay? But it's basically when you have oily skin, the pores on your nose just fill up with oil and they oxidize, therefore it looks like blackheads, but it's not, and you actually can't get rid of them. Like, you can get rid of them temporarily, but they will come back within a day, they say. Yeah, mine come back within like 2 hours, so. It's just something that you can't really like cure. The best you can do is like minimize it. So I like to, do my facials, use my acids and stuff like that, and it does minimize it. This is literally like the best mirror ever. I use it for like all of my little skin extractions and like to trim my brow hairs and shave my face and everything. It is the best. This is actually from Plum Beauty. I'm actually partnering up with Plum Beauty for today's video. They make the most amazing skincare tools for your face so that you can really bring the spa home to you, which I'm really big on, because I don't know about you guys, but like, not only do I want to save money by doing a little spa at home, I love just being at home. Like, what's better than self-care than like turning on the music, lighting the candles, putting on your robe, and just like being comfy in your home. So I love that at-home spa feel, and Plum Beauty really does bring that, but for an affordable price. This is their facial steamer. I'm actually gonna heat that up right now so I can really get that going. Plum Beauty is sold for an affordable price at CVS, Target, and Amazon, which is great. I'm actually gonna leave the links down below. You're gonna see me using their tools in today's video. This one is one of my favorites. I always like to steam my face for like a good minute or so. It's also just like so relaxing. Like, I instantly feel relaxed. So the first tool I am gonna use is the Plum Beauty Ultrasonic Facial Spatula. And it really does like look like a spatula. It's really cool, but it works really well. So what you're gonna do is literally just turn it on. You can already see on the spatula everything that it removed from my nose. So nasty, and honestly, it doesn't hurt. Like, I know I'm tearing up right now. It doesn't hurt, it just kind of like has a sensation, so it does make you kind of like, but it honestly doesn't hurt. Like, I'm not in like any pain at all, honestly. Oh my God. It just blows my mind every time. Look at all that. And you guys can instantly probably tell like how much cleaner my nose looks. I want to steam my face some more because I'm going to do a couple extractions. I love this mirror because with the light, it really helps you. Okay, I am finally done with extractions, and you guys, like, look at how nasty that is. Like, all of that gunk just came out of my face. Not a vibe. But surprisingly, my face was actually better today than on my usual like at-home spa days. So I must have been really taking care of my skin. So now that my extractions are done, I'm just gonna wash my face with warm water, not hot water. I'm using my CeraVe cleanser. My face feels so smooth. Like, I can't even tell you guys how smooth it feels. All right, next, you guys, I am going to shave my face. Plum Beauty actually sells eyebrow and facial razors. You Look at just how much like hair comes out. This is something I like to do every 2 weeks. I've been doing this for years, like probably 4 years now, 3 years maybe, I don't know. And I always get questions on if my hair grows back thicker. And I'm telling you guys, your hair will not grow back thicker at all. This will just make your skin so soft and smooth. You know, be careful around the brow area. I'm not trying to... I always like to have water on my face when I do this. You can also use facial oil just to give your face like some sort of like... It also removes a lot of dead skin. Like look at that dead skin on my face right there. It's crazy. Like how much hair was on my face. So gross. And I always feel like my makeup just goes on smoother, my skincare products go on nicer. And the key to this is just you don't want to go over the same spot too many times. Like a couple times and that's it. If you keep going over, you're just gonna like irritate your skin and give yourself like razor burn. So this is kind of tough to do. But one thing I like to do is take all my hair and I like to shave like this area, but this is really tough to do because I don't have like a proper mirror. That's why I'm holding all my hair so that I don't shave my hair off, you know? And it doesn't have to be perfect. Like you kind of actually don't want it to be perfect because you want it to have like a natural, you know? Now I will do a little double cleanse action. And then rinse my face with cold water. Okay, now this isn't something that I do often, but I'm telling you, it makes the world of a difference. This is a like facial contour. I think the exact name, yeah, it's a contouring facial roller is the exact name. I just call it my facial contour. Seriously, not only does it actually help to like contour your face, it just feels so good. And like, it's not something that I do often. Like I don't do this every day. It just feels so good. But like when you're just like wanting to relax, you can take this in the bathtub with you and just like relax. You're basically pushing all that blood flow up and it really does contour. But it also just kind of like massages your face. So I really love this. Like sometimes I take it in the bath with me and I just sit there and I meditate. This is also by Plum Beauty, by the way. You can just tell this is really high quality. It has a really nice weight to it. So like I said, Plum Beauty is sold at Target, CVS, and Amazon. So it's like super convenient. I'm actually gonna leave the links to all 3 retailers down below if you guys wanna shop Plum Beauty. I don't need to trim my brows or anything because like about 2 months ago, I trimmed my brows too short. So I'm actually growing them out. So I don't need to do any brow trimming. But I am gonna put on some skincare. I'm gonna put on some vitamin C and just a good old hydrating cream. Last little thing I always do is brush out my brows. I cannot go without brushing out my brows these days. A little Aquaphor on my lips. This stuff is everything for your lips. Okay, and here is my skin in natural daylight in front of a window, no light. You can see my studio light is back there, so I took it off just so you guys can really see, you know, the raw, the real. I forgot my little mini vlog tripod downstairs, so I'm like holding up a huge ass tripod right now. But yeah, this is how my skin looks. It's normal after a facial for your skin to be a little red, but it will go down in like a day or so. So definitely don't do this routine like the day before an event. Do it like 2 days before an event. Actually, it wouldn't even matter because you'd have makeup on, but you know, whatever. Well, you know what I'm saying. So since I showed you guys that close-up before, even though the close-up was with studio light, here's the close-up with no studio light. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed just chilling with me, doing a little at-home facial. I know I've done a video similar before, but I figured since I was gonna do it today, I was like, why not just pop on the camera? Because I know you guys literally enjoy just like turning it on, watching it, and like watching my video and doing it with me. So I thought that would be fun just to kind of see a little bit of an updated one. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.